month's name. January. 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 This is the first month of the year. It has 31 days. February. February. This is the second month of the year. Normally it has 28 days, but in leap year it has 29 days. March. March. This is the third month of the year and it has 31 days. April. April. This is the fourth month of the year and it has 30 days. May. May. This is the fifth month of the year and it has 31 days. June. June. This is the sixth month of the year and it has 30 days. July. July. This is the seventh month of the year and it has 31 days. August. August. This is the eighth month of the year and it has 31 days. September. September. This is the ninth month of the year and it has 30 days. October. October. This is the 10th month of the year and it has 31 days. November. November. This is the 11th month of the year and it has 30 days. December. December. This is the 12th and last month of the year and it has 31 days.